Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Lovely skies for us, getting ready to head into the lunchtime hours. Not a cloud in sight. You see a little bit of the sun's glare reflecting off the glass of our 41 sky view in Dublin right now. 77 degrees, feels like 79 with an 8-mile-per-hour wind coming in from the east-northeast. We will continue to see these nice conditions throughout the remainder of the day. Breezy at times from the northeast. We could see wind speeds arguably up to 12 miles per hour and gusts upwards of 20. We'll camp out in the mid to upper 80s all throughout the remainder of the afternoon. So things looking pretty good for us. In fact, I still think a handful of spots on here like Gordon and Milledgeville are going to get warmer than just 84 degrees. I could see 85, 86. McRae looking, I could see 87, Macon 86. That's probably about our cap for today, but a handful of these spots could easily be a degree or two warmer. The thing is that northeast wind is pulling in cooler air, which is helping to keep things cooler. And because it's from the northeast and not the northwest, there's a little bit of moisture with it because obviously the Atlantic Ocean is over there. But the thing about today is we got those breezes coming in, gusts upwards to 20 miles per hour and almost no cloud cover. So they're kind of working against each other. The sun heating us up, but that wind bringing in that cooler air. So that's why we're mainly seeing those mid 80s for today and into tomorrow morning. I mean, we're still seeing that wind coming in primarily from the northeast or the east-northeast. We might see a shift a little bit more south as we head into the back half of tomorrow, which is another relatively breezy afternoon. Maybe a little bit more cloud cover out there for us in terms of scattered cumulus clouds developing in the afternoon. However, there will be no rain chances out of those, and we should stay dry in terms of rain for the foreseeable future. The overnight lows for tonight are in the low 60s primarily, though we do have a couple of upper 50s on there. And here's the one negative thing with our forecast, and that is lovely Tropical Storm Fiona here, 50 miles per hour for its sustained winds right now, tracking west and then expected to turn northward once it gets to about Hispaniola. Good news is you see all these logos here. They're all tropical storm logos. Not expecting it to be a hurricane at least before it gets to this point. And all models are anticipating a northward turn. The question's going to be, when does it turn? In just 10 seconds, we'll have your 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's volumechevrolet.com.
Your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast is brought to you by Volume Chevrolet. As you can see, sun still dominating our 7-day forecast. Do you have a couple shower chances on Sunday? Woo, maybe one or two. That'll be it. And we'll head into next week. Maybe a shower overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. Maybe. That's why it's 10%. But you can indeed see the 90s are expected to return for us on Monday, and a couple spots may even see them come back by Sunday.